Hello students, so in this video we have to discuss this question. We have to find the integration of 1 divided by 1 plus 3 sin square x plus 8 cos square x dx, and options are given in tan, correct? So we have to integrate this options. Why I am telling options? Because I will get hint by seeing the options that we have to convert this whole thing in tan, something called tan. Okay, in this, first of all, so I will convert the whole things in tan. So numerator it is 1 and denominator it is 1 plus 3 sin square x plus 8 cos square x. So what I will do, in denominator I will multiply and divide by cos square x to get the tan. So I'm going to do, like, in denominator I will multiply with cos square x, and same I will divide with cos square x. So when I will divide with cos square x, so first term is 1 upon cos, because the whole thing I am going to divide with cos square x. So whole thing I am going to divide with cos square x, 1 plus 3 sin square x plus 8 cos square x. Okay, now if I will divide, if I will write the next step, so this 1 upon cos square x will go up, will become sec square x, secant square x. So I will write secant square x and dx in numerator. In denominator, 1 upon cos square x, first term is 1 upon cos square x, so 1 upon cos x square x I will write as secant square x. Second, 3 divided by 3 sin square x divided by cos square x. So 3 into sin square divided by cos square will become tan square. So I will write 3 tan square x, correct? And next term, 8 cos square x divided by cos square x. So it will cancel cos square x, so only 8 will remain. So I got something called this, correct? So complete thing, this numerator is the okay, sec square x dx I will keep. Denominator I will convert complete in tan. So this secant square x I can write as 1 plus tan square x, because we know secant square x minus tan square x is 1. So secant square x I will write as 1 plus tan square x. So instead of this I am writing 1 plus tan square x. So now complete thing, tan square x plus 3 tan square x will become 4 tan square x, and 1 plus 8 will become 9. So denominator I am writing as 4 tan square x plus 9. 4 tan square x plus 9. Okay, now this secant square x denominator, suppose you, if you remember one formula called something called dx divided by 1 is the 1 plus t square, or another form if I will say, so you know dx divided by x square plus a square. This formula you know, this integration is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. So we'll use this formula here, because something similar type of form is there. Okay, similar type of form is there. Okay, how I will tell you, just you remember this formula. Okay, this formula we are going to use here. Okay, now see, denominator, suppose this is 4 tan square x, so I can say 2 tan x whole square. This I can write as 2 tan x whole square, 2 tan x whole square. So this I want to make in t square form. So 2 tan x, suppose I am assuming that 2 tan x is t. Let, I am telling, let 2 tan x is equal to t. So obviously if tan x we are converting in t, so dx also we have to convert in dt. So for that I will differentiate this. So 2 tan x derivative is sec square x. So if I will derive this 2 tan x is equal to t, so I will get 2 secant square x dx is equal to dt. 2 secant square x dx is equal to dt. And numerator, if you will see, numerator we have this secant square x dx here, correct? So this 2 I will take right side, so this 2 will become dt upon 2. So I will write in this form. So now I am going to replace this 2 tan x with t, and this secant square x dx as dt upon 2 here in this. Okay, so if I will replace, I will get secant square x dx, so numerator will be dt upon 2. So upon 2 I will take outside, correct, because that is constant, divided by 2 tan x I will write as t, so t square, so this will be t square plus 9, so 9 I can write as 3 square. So we got, according to that formula, dt divided by t square plus a square or 3 square, correct? So we'll use the formula. So by using that formula, what I can write? I can write like this, ki half, and what was the formula? X square plus a square, 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. So here it is, instead of x it is t, so I will write 1 upon a means 3, tan inverse x upon a. So instead of x it is t, so I will write t, and instead of a it is 3, so I will write t upon 3. Now just I will replace this t value as what we have assumed, t value as 2 tan x. So instead of t I will write 2 tan x. So I am going to erase this portion. Oh sorry, I will erase here, okay, so that values I will have. So I am writing up, I am going from here, I am going up, okay. So I will write as 1 numerate, like here it will be 1 upon 6, 2 into 3, 1 upon 6, tan inverse, and then instead of t what I will write, instead of t I will write 2 tan x, 2 tan x. So instead of t I will write 2 tan x divided by this 3, so 3, and this is our answer. So if you will see, in your options, 1 upon 6 tan inverse 2 tan x upon 3, so option A is the correct option. 1 upon 6 tan inverse 2 tan x upon 3 is our correct option. So I hope you understood the solution. If you have any confusion, then ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching.